I think when you're working in the financial services environment, there is so much data that you'll have on your customer. Um, and it is so easy. Everyone's done it at some point in their career where you kind of, you've got to hold your hand up and say, yeah, I sent the wrong email to the wrong person. Oops. And if that contains that person's bank details, their address, their date of birth, could be information about their children, very sensitive health information. If you sent that and it landed in the wrong inbox, can you imagine how catastrophic that could be? One, for your business, because obviously the fines for that are huge. ICO are very clear on that. FCA are going to definitely have something to say about it. But most importantly, your poor customer. You have just transmitted a huge amount of their identity, obviously in error, but think about that information and what that information contains and how sensitive that is, and obviously whether you as an advisor would be comfortable if someone did that to you. And I think just putting yourself in the customer's shoes, and it's better to be safe than sorry, isn't it? Particularly in financial services, because the implications for something falling into the wrong hands are absolutely catastrophic.